Now that we've seen basic integer problems, let's take a look at how those ideas will scale up to problems that are spaced a little differently. If we have consecutive even integers, so that would be something like 8, then 10, then 12, 14, 16, and so forth. Well, if you notice, these are all spaced apart by 2's. This is plus 2. There's a difference of 4 here, and there's a difference of 6 there. So in this case, our first integer would be x, the next one would be x plus 2, and the next one would be x plus 4. So if we look at example 1 here, they ask us to find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 84. Well, this is the exact same idea as the previous video, except instead of 1 and 2, we have 2 and 4. And this is going to add up to 84. Again, we don't really need the parentheses. We can drop them. So we'll have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 84. On the left-hand side, we'll combine like terms. Well, x plus x is 3x. 2 plus 4 is 6 equals 84. And now this becomes a basic algebra problem. We'll just subtract 6. We get 3x equals 78. Divide by 3. And x equals 26. Now with odd numbers, this might not quite work the way you'd expect it to. With odd numbers, it's the same basic idea, 7, then 9, then 11, then 13, and so forth. But you have to remember, these are also spaced by 2's. So that's plus 2, that's plus 4, and that's plus 6. So as weird as it may seem, our setup is actually identical to what it was for even numbers. We'll still have x plus 2, and x plus 4. I realize it feels a little counterintuitive to have 2 and 4 when we're talking about odd numbers, but you have to remember those are the distances between the numbers, not the numbers themselves. For example 2, we have the same kind of problem. This time we're looking at 4 consecutive integers, and those are adding up to 152. So the first one is x, then x plus 2, then x plus 4, and this pattern just continues, so the fourth one is x plus 6. And this adds up to 152. And now, again, we can drop the parentheses. Same as before. And then we combine like terms on the left-hand side. We'll have 4 x's. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. This equals 152. And now the algebra should be very easy from here. We'll just subtract 152. We get 4x equals 140. And then we solve by dividing by 4. And we get that x equals 35. But be very careful. Do not forget that we have to write down all 4 answers. For example 1, we had 3 numbers that all constituted one answer collectively. 26, 28, and 30. And if we add all those up, we get 84. Well, the same thing happens over here. 35 is the first of 4 answers, then 37, then 39, then 41. We add all of those up to get 152. You have to list all the answers, not just the first one.